Using the burst feature on the iPhone camera will take several photos in just a few seconds. This can be a great option when trying to capture an action shot, or just to get that elusive moment when everyone's smiling with their eyes open in a group photo. To shoot a burst, just tap and hold on the shutter. As I hold, the number of shots being taken will appear on the lower part of the display. It just takes a couple seconds to get up over 20 or 30 shots. When reviewing these, they're not stored as 20 to 30 separate images. We have a single burst here, and the amount of photos included within it is displayed. Tap the Select button here, and we can review all the images taken in the burst. There may only be 1 or 2 images in a burst that you end up wanting to keep. Just tap to add a check mark to those, and then we can tap Done. Now I can choose to still keep all the burst images, or only the 2 that I selected. I'm going to only keep these 2. Now let's do an action shot on the iPhone X. As the dog comes running towards the camera, I'll hold down the shutter to begin the burst. Let's replay that a little slower. So I ended up getting 6 shots in that burst. As I review them, I'm just going to keep the 1 shot that I really like. So the burst feature is super simple to use, and it can really help out when you're trying to capture that 1 second where everything is right in a photo.